Ladies and gentlemen, wearing his sash with pride and purpose, here is one of the newest contenders of Mr. Bataan 2026. Please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Andre Clark MC Banal and I am representing Orion.
Wow. So, why should you be the next Mr. Bataan?
I think I should be the next Mr. Bataan because I am doing all my best to become the next Mr. Bataan by consistently working on my mind, working on my body, and also on my spirit.
So, what sets you apart from the other candidates?
What sets me apart is that I am an adventurous person. I want to have fun, I want to have new experiences, and I think this is still a competition, so I came here to win.
Okay. So, last question to. Paano mo ilalarawan ang isang huwarang Bataenyo?
Ang isang warang Bataenyo ay may malasakit sa kapwa at merong magandang kalooban.
Wow, tumpak na tumpak. So, please invite them to follow your social media accounts.
Hello guys, kindly follow my social media accounts. Andre Sabanal on IG, Andre Sabanal also on Facebook, and Andre Sabanal on TikTok.
Okay. Take a chance to invite them on your coronation night.
Hello guys, I'm kindly asking you to come and support me for this coming coronation night of Mr. Bataan 2026. See you all guys.
When will that be?
It will be on March.
Where?
It is still tentative, but
Okay, so that's it. So, again, good luck.
thank you.